With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, the question is, the random variable x can take only the values 0, 1, 2 given that probability at x equals to 0 is equals to probability at x equals to 1 equals to p and e of x square is equals to e of x. Then find the value of p. So basically in this question we have given that the random variable x can take only the three values that are 0, 1 and 2, right? Then we have given the some few values that are p at x equals to 0 is equals to p at x equals to 1, which is equals to p. Then we have also one given condition, right? And at last we have to find the value of p. So first of all, let us start what we have given. We have given that p at x equals to 0 is equals to probability at x equals to 1, which is equals to p. So these both are equals to p, right? This is a small p, right? These both are equals to p, right? So since in the question we have given that it can take only three values, right? That are 0, 1 and 2, and at 0 and 1 we have given the values of probability that are p. So we will assume for 2. So let us assume, let probability at x equals to 2 is x. Let this is our assumption. So we have assumed that at x equals to 2 our probability will be x, right? So we can say that p plus x is equals to 1 because sum of all the probability is equals to 1, right? So from here we can find the value of x. So from here we can see that x is equals to 1 minus, this will be 2p, 1 minus 2p. So this is the value of x, right? Now we can form the distribution from the given data, right? So if we form our distribution like x, then next is probability at x. So we have how many values for x? We have three values that are 0, 1 and 2, which is given in the question, right? So for these three different values we have different probability, right? But probability at x equals to 0 and probability at x equals to 1 both have the same value, that is p, which is given in the question, right? And for probability at x equals to 2 we have assumed that is x, right? So probability at x equals to 0, what was the value? It was p, right? Same for 1, p, and for 2 it is, we have assumed x, right? And we have seen that we have find the value of x from the formations, that is 1 minus 2p. So this will be 1 minus 2p, right? So far this is our distribution, right? So from here if we want to find e of x, which is basically the summation of x into p of x, right? So we basically, what we'll do, we'll multiply the x and px with different values. So first of all, at x equals to 0, px is p. So 0 into p is 0. Next 1 into p is p. Next 2 into 1 minus 2p is 2 into 1 minus 2p. Also, since we have to find the summation, so we add all three values. So at last we get p plus if we open this bracket, we'll get 2 minus 4p, right? So we can write it as, this will be 2 minus 3p. So this is our E of x, right? So similarly, since we can find the value of E of x, let us assume this as our equation 1. We can also find the value of E of x square, E of x square, which is basically equals to summation of x square into p of x, right? So x square means, first of all, 0 square is 0, so 0 square, which is 0, 0 into p will be again 0, right? Then 1 square is 1, 1 into p is again p. Then 2 square is 4, and 4 into 1 minus 2p will be 4 into 1 minus 2p, right? So we open the bracket, we'll get, this will be p, and over here we'll get 4 minus 8p, right? So we can simplify it by 4 minus, this will be 7p. So this is our E of x square, E of x square, right? E of x square. As in the question we have given that E of x square is equals to E of x, since E of x square is equals to E of x as it is given in the question, right? Also we have assumed this as our equation second, right? So we simply put the values of both the equations from equation 1 and 2 in our this E of x square equals to E of x. So this will become 4 minus 7p, which will be equals to, equation 1 will be 2 minus 3p, right? So from here, if we take this 2 to the LHS side, it will become minus 2. So 4 minus 2 is 2, equals to, if we put this minus 7p to the RHS side, if we shift this minus 7p to the RHS side, it will become plus 7p, and plus 7p minus 3p will be 4p. So from here we can find the value of p, that will be equals to 1 upon 2. Hence the value of p is 1 upon 2, which is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.